Eh, ang balita ko, Director General, nakalusot din yung yung mahjong table eh. Ang laki-laki nun pero nakalusot din yung mahjong table eh. Anyway, ito, meron pa isa. Yung din date, March 2 naman to, 2023. Mga cooking materials, pati mga bawal na tinidor, nakapasok. Through Madam Angelina Bautista. Director General Katapang, meron po ba kayong alam dito?
Before the Bucor chief answer the query of about the pork and spoon, so we will be recognizing Congresswoman Acapos.
Meron po ba kayo alam dito, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I don't have knowledge about that.
Director General, hindi ba dapat alam mo lahat ang nangyayari sa Bucor?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, I should know everything what's happening inside Bucor.
Mr. Chair, naipangako mo kanina na gagawin mo ang lahat na magagawa mo para masolve lahat ang mga problemang ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
I would like to tell the Bucor leadership, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, nahaharap sila sa budget hearing. Kahit ayaw ko, baka maapektahan ng budget ninyo. Ano masasabi mo, Director General Katapang?
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, in as much as I have to really go down up to the level of the tactical, I will have to do that. Ako na rin po ang mag-inspect lahat ng papasok na gamit doon. Dahil kung ganyan po nangyayari, wala na po tayo mapagkatiwalaan. I have to do it on my own just to really satisfy you that I'm really doing my best. Kung kailangan bilangin lahat yung papasok na yan, ako mismo magmaman ng gate 5 o gate 4 para bilangin lahat yung papasok na kargamento, kung mga hardware equipment, ako na rin po tatayo dyan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, meron din po ditong hindi ko alam kung matatawag na resibo ito, na meron pong construction equipment na puro delikado at pinagbabawal na naipasok sa Bucor. Unang-una kong gustong tanungin si Madam Angie Bautista kung alam niya ito sapagkat nakalagay din ang pangalan mo rito. True, Angelina Bautista.
Your Honor, alam ko po.
Oh, nakapasok.
Opo, kasi po yan po yung ginagamit nila po na makagawa po sila ng tulugan po yung ating
Hindi, yung
mga
construction
PDL.
equipments na puro delikado at pinagbabawal daw eh.
May bantay po tayong DMU, sir, at saka ini-inspection po ng GSD po ang ginagawa po
Ibig
nila sa loob.
sabihin, Mr. Chair, na kahit may bantay 24/7 yan, dapat kayo ay magpasok ng mga construction equipment na delikado at pinagbabawal sapagkat ang katuwiran nyo, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, may bantay naman.
Sir, wala pong tutulugan ng ating mga preso. Lalo na po yung paggawa po ng deep well, wala po silang mainom, kaya po kailangan pumasok po yung mga tubo, kung ano-ano po, na
Mr. Chair,
sinasabi nyo pong delikado.
ginagawa nyo kami ditong wala kami concern sa mga PDL eh. Ako po ang chairman ng Committee on Human Rights. May concern ako eh. Sinasabi po ni Mr. Chair dito kanina at ni Madam Chair na hindi kami magko-complain dito kung lahat ng inyong ginagawa legal. Meron tayong batas eh. We are a government of laws and not of men. May batas po tayo. Naunawaan niyo ba yun, Mr. Chair? Ms. Angie, naunawaan niyo ba yun?
Sir, yun po kasing tungkol sa construction materials, talaga pong nagpapasok, hindi lang po ang mga PDL, kung hindi rin po yung mga taga-Bucor.
Mr. Chair, pinatanggal na nga yun nung araw. Pinasok niyo uli. So ano ba ang ruling dito? Tinanggal na yan nung araw, pero pinasok uli. Ano po ba talaga ang ruling dito? Ano ang ruling ng Bucor tungkol dito na pwedeng tanggalin to ng last administration, pwede niyong ipasok uli ngayon? Ano ba ruling dyan? Director General Katapang.
Mr. Chair, there's no ruling as regards this because there was never been an order to really remove the shanty in as much as this will really affect the health. Lalo na po ngayon tag-ulan, wala po talaga sila matutulugan. But we will look into this and how to implement it better this time, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, malapit na po. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ang date ng Bucor budget hearing. We would like to find out, Mr. Chair, within these several days, if you will be true, if Director General Katapang will be true to his commitment to do what must be done before the budget hearing. And Mr. Chair, I demand that a written report must be submitted to this committee. I would like to make a motion to say that, Mr. Chair.
Okay, there's a motion by Congressman Abante, duly seconded. Is there any objection on the part of the Committee on Public Order? The motion is approved. On the part of,
Since the motion is approved.
okay, are you done, Congressman Abante?
Pero po akong konti na lang,
1 second ka na lang.
Oo. So, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, no, I just would like to continue on. You said a moment ago, Director General Katapang, that you will really go down to the hill para masolve ang problema sa Bucor. Naniniwala po kayong lahat. For example, like ang sinabi po ng ating general dito, sino ba yung naakusahan ng korupsyon?
Correction, Senior Inspector Abila Henry,
Oh.
sir.
Kayo po ay naakusahan ng korupsyon, Mr. Chair.
Wala pong
Ay,
akong...
totoo. Yun, naakusahan lang kayo. Hindi naman talaga totoo, di ba?
Opo.
So, Mr. Chair, ibig sabihin niyan, Director General, at ikaw, Madam Angie Bautista, sapagkat ikaw ang nag-file ng investigasyon, na meron talagang malalim na korupsyon sa Bucor. Mr. Chair, inaamin mo.
Yes, sir. Meron po.
At hindi ka kasama ron, Mr. Chair.
Hindi po ako kasama, sir.
You are under oath.
Sir, I am under oath, Your Honor.
Okay. So, the Director General, ano po ang balak yung gawin sa korupsyon sa Bucor?
I will continue my reform agenda at lahat po ng makakasuhan. Of course, I will submit the report. Marami na po akong tinanggal na sa serbisyo. Discharge for dishonesty. I will submit the report na may effort naman po, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Therefore, Mr. Chair, Director General, heads must roll.
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. I
And
will
if
do
you're
that.
not able, Mr. Chair, Director General, na gawin lahat ng mga bagay na ito, that you are willing to resign your position.
Mr. Chair, I serve at the pleasure of the Filipino people and the President and the Secretary. I'm willing, if told, to resign from my position. But right now, I will not resign because I have a duty, a task to do, and please give me more time because sinalo ko lahat itong problema ito, Mr. Chair, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I salute you in saying that. I salute you in saying that. Hopefully, Mr. Chair, that you will be serious enough to be able to check on the corruption of Bucor. Why? Look, this Congress is giving you all the budget you need. At sinabi ko, Mr. Chair, nung last hearing natin, nais pa nating dagdagan ang budget upang magawa nyo na ang dapat yung gawin. Pero sa hearing na ito, nakikita ko na nagtuturuan kayo dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino dapat ang i-blame dito. You're blaming each other. And then all of you are saying that none of you is corrupt. Oh, para bang nakikita ko, kung hindi lang sa mga PDL, magmo-motion akong gawing 1 peso ang budget ninyo. I'm going to look into your report. But Mr. Chair, Madam Chair, Director General, before the budget hearing of Bucor starts, I would like to see that report. Can you promise that, Director General?
Yes, Mr. Chair, Your Honor. I will do that before the budget hearing.
Mr. Chair, ito lang huli. With the attitude that I see in Madam Angie Bautista, even in this hearing, I do not believe that she is telling all the truth. Marami pa tayong panahon para makita tayo rito.